Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be very important because we're cleaning the entire house. Tim and I are finally hosting my family over and we're having a barbecue this Saturday, and I want to take you guys through like this whole process of cleaning, organizing, doing all that kind of stuff. Let's just get into it because I just don't know why I talked so long.
From far away she looks so good.
Time to go to the store and get some cleaning supplies. It is so hot. I think it's already 100 degrees and it's like 8 a.m. All right, let's go. Let's do this thing. I really need a mount for my phone because right now you're just, I don't even know what this is called, but you're like by all the speedometer. All right, got my supplies. We are ready to go. Okay, so I'm using the Resolve Urine Destroyer. I don't know, I heard really good things about this, so I'm gonna use this. 2.3 fluid ounces per gallon of water. Oh my gosh. That is 60 fluid ounces. This was all from the couch! Are you kidding me? It is currently like 100 degrees out here in Illinois. It's one of like the hottest weeks we'll ever experience or something. I'm still in my gym clothes, so I don't even care what I look like, honestly, on this camera. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking care of this room. As you can see, I have like my art stuff shoved in the back. These are so disgustingly dirty with Bear's hair. I have this stuff. Here are some chairs that I'm gonna set up for the party once I get the table. My mom is dropping off her table. I need to use like 2 long white tables. I don't have them. Oh my gosh, I'm already sweating. It's really, really hot in here, so I don't know how this is gonna stay cool, but luckily it's gonna be like 80 degrees out, so it's not gonna be 100, so it's not gonna be that bad. But yeah, the food's gonna be here. And then I have some just like random like party kind of things. Like this bucket can be an ice bucket for some reason. This is a punch bowl, which is pretty cool. I have a little carpet that I haven't used, so I'm gonna use that for something. I have these little things. I got some poster board to like write. I don't know, guys, like this is my first time hosting, so I'm excited, right? Like I want to write like hamburgers or lettuce or like beverage bar, just I don't know, use a marker and some paper and label stuff. I don't know. I'll see how it turns out. I don't know. I think I put way too much solution because it's really soapy. I put so much soap, you guys. But I just let it live because, you know, I don't want to be that bad guy. You probably can't really tell, but the floors are clean, those are wiped down, so that's good. Now I am just waiting for my mom. All right, guys, so I lured my dad over to help me clean. As you can see, he's sweating because so much degrees out.
Am
It's okay, me too. So this is our bar cart. We're gonna put some drinks on it. I'm gonna have him clean that off. I got Bear a new toy. He loves it, right, baby? All this. All right, you guys. So for the most part, I am finished cleaning like the major stuff. I mopped, I put up some stuff, and it's Thursday right now, and so I still have 2 days before the party. So obviously I'm gonna have to clean again. But yeah, I just want to walk you through like this quick little like cleaning vlog. I don't know. Yeah, it's a short video. Alexis, do you want to? Yeah. Hold it. Hold it.
You want the other one? Get it.
Bear, hi. You're being so big. Hi guys. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to the barbecue that I'm hosting at my house. This is actually, I got this from Urban Outfitters, I think like 4 years ago. I'm not even kidding, I've never worn it until today. And this top was, I think originally like $70, and I got it for like 10. And I could not pass it up.
I'm focusing on Eric. Oh wait, how are you going? Instagram. Here we go. This is